So this is our duck with wild mushroom and kakadu plum. Absolutely stunning. We have three standout pastas: the duck, the beef cheek red wine ravioli, and our porcini mushroom with mascarpone and truffle oil ravioli. Those three are stunning. This duck has always been one of our best sellers. Like nothing else on the market, certainly nothing like in the supermarkets. Flavor is amazing, absolutely stunning. You don't even need a sauce with it. So you can use it just with a bit of olive oil and parmesan. Of course, you're more than welcome to use one of our beautiful sauces. If you do, keep the sauce to an absolute minimum. Don't drown it. Supermarket pastas have to be drowned in sauce because there's no flavor in the raviolis that you get in the supermarket. This is the opposite. This is built based on amazing ingredients, not built to price. So yes, it is a bit more expensive, but what you get out of it is absolutely phenomenal. Nothing like the supermarket pastas. So just as I said, minimum sauce, olive oil and parmesan, that's kind of all you need, or a basic tomato sauce like a Napolitana. Our Napolitana goes really nice, but just paint it on, don't drown it. It's stunning. Like our wild mushroom, our kakadu plum. If you don't know anything about kakadu plum, it's a plum supposed to have the highest content of vitamin C. It's a background flavor, it's not sweet. What you taste when you try this is all about the duck, and it has a natural sweetness from the duck, but not from the plum. It's not a big plum flavor. So absolutely stunning. One of my favorites, and one we get really, really good feedback on. Enough for 2 serves. Enjoy.